Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make Rajasthani curry. So let's directly jump into the ingredients. 2 cups of beaten yogurt, 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour, pinch of hing, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of rye or mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, some fenugreek seeds, some curry leaves, 1 dry red chili, some coriander leaves and oil. So we'll start the preparation. For that, you're going to add besan or gram flour in the beaten yogurt. Whisk it. Now add in turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Next add just a little bit of water. So this is the consistency you require. So now next we are going to prepare the tempering. Heat the pan, add oil. You don't require a lot of oil, just 2 teaspoons is enough. Heat the oil, now add some fenugreek seeds. Now add in mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, dry red chili, curry leaves. Now add in hing. Now quickly add in the yogurt. Mix it well. Now you need to stir it continuously until it gets the boil. If you leave it, it will ruin the curry. So keep stirring it. So you can see it has got the boils. Now we're going to slowly add just a little bit of water. So after it gets the boil, keep it on gas for a minute. And you can see you need to keep this consistency of the curry, so you can add more or less water. And now lastly we are adding coriander leaves. And your curry is ready. So our Rajasthani curry is ready. You can enjoy it with rice or khichdi. Really easy to make and so quick. We also have other Rajasthani dishes videos on our channel Shada Cook, so you can check over there. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.